So we are in Pineville, North Carolina. We're going to visit the Alley 51 Food Hall, and we're probably going to run into Super G Mart. Connie's with me. It's her first time coming here and checking this place out. So it's a cool food hall. All kinds of different restaurants or food vendors. Let's put it that way. Go inside and see what's going on today. It's busy here. Here's the inside. Yeah, we love coming here. There's all kinds of great selections. A lot of great, like sushi. We have Italian here, Chinese food, dessert bars, things like that. They're going to walk around and see what they have. But got a little play area for the kids. Yeah. They also have the snack place here. You can get like potato chips, but you can also get like ramen noodles right here. So you have imports from China and Japan. I think probably mainly Japan. You got the sushi over here. That's yummy. Yeah, it's a cool place. We love coming here. Well, me anyway. This is Connie's first time. Got a little arcade here as well. Yeah, it is busy in here. And I like that they have the pictures of the different dishes that you can order as well. And then they have the sushi down here that you can also order or pick up right here, ready to go. Great selection. It's all fresh too. If you buy one entree, you get $2 off. You get the honey cow desserts here as well. Great selection too. They got Korean food here. Like mukja. Got honey buns there as well. And there's the menu for the honey buns too. Over here. I mean, the food is just awesome all in this food court. Mochi nuts down there. Rayleigh Thai Express is over here. And then last time I was here at the Great Wall, I got some really good dim sum right there. Very popular place. And then the fresh chicken and ducks roasting over here. I'll show you that. There's your ducks. Check that out. Roasting on an open fire. But they look really good too. They look awesome. Changing them around. And they're closed on Wednesdays. But yeah, this is a great wall. Food is really good in there too. And here's Manila Grill. Here's their menu. Right here, get the drinks over here, it looks like. And some of your appetizers. And then over here's your main menu selection right here. And again, you can pause it or look them up, get their menu. But I just love it. It's pretty much all Asian food, really good. And this is, I guess they're pronouncing it Quickie Top, Chinese Jian Bing roasted cold noodle. Kind of shows you what they do, what they make here. Let me walk around, I'll show you the menu. Here's their menu right here too, and they're freshly preparing it all. So yeah, they have great choices here of different foods that you can eat here. And this one's called 81 Bar and Food. Here's their menu. Make sure of everything here. Yeah, it looks good. We're gonna get something real soon though. Now, mochi nut looks like it's mainly desserts, like sweets, things like that. Let me show you this real quick. Here they are right here. They pretty much look like donuts. Yeah, very similar to donuts. They have dessert drinks too. Then over here is a Rayleigh Thai Express right here.
Shane, the flavors are up there.
But the food here is awesome. Now if you want some Vietnamese food, right here is Saigon Cafe Vietnamese Eats right here. I'm not sure if you can see the menu. If you walk over here, try to get a close up, but you can find these places online too and see what type of food they have. But it's Saigon Vietnamese Eats Cafe. And I went with the sushi from Yummy, and Connie got some summer rolls, the shrimp from the Korean place. Yeah, she said they're delicious, right? They're good. Also looks like they do karaoke here on certain nights. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And now we're in the G-Mart marketplace. It's all international foods. Got cool stuff like that, little crane operation. Try to get your prize. So yeah, head down here. And this used to be the old Kmart. So it's Connie's first time here, but I have a video that I had already done of this place. So I'll do a link at the end there so you can check that out so you can see what it looks like in here with all their international foods. Well, we hope you enjoy our visit here to Alley 51. We had a good lunch.
Yes.
A lot of great choices for Asian food. Be sure to check it out. Yeah, and they, I think there's one little place that might have Indian food. I'm not quite sure, but I think there was. But it's mainly Asian food. It's really, really good. I enjoyed my sushi. How was yours?
It was great.
She had the Vietnamese summer roll with the shrimp. They loaded that with shrimp big time.
They did.
Yeah, it looked really good. All right, guys, we're going to head on home. Please subscribe if you haven't, and join the Venture family. All right, guys, you take care.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.